How to open Google Drive downloaded file. So let me show you step by step how to open the downloaded file from Google Drive. The first thing you should do, you right click on the file you want to download. So let's say I want to download this video. I'll click on the download button. So now the video will start downloading. After the video has finished downloading, if I want to see the video, so I'll just go ahead now and click on this option from my Chrome browser or any browser. If you click on the three dot and then you go to where it says download, so you'll be able to see all your download files. So now here is the download file. If I want to review the file inside my PC, I'll click on the folder icon. So from there it will show me the folder where the file been located in my device. So now the file has been located inside the download button, download option, download folder. So here is it now. If you come to download folder inside your Google Drive, inside your PC, go to download. So you'll be able to see all the files that you downloaded from the Google Drive. And that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.